So we've all heard the latest news about the DeepSeek and one of the projects, Panda, which is essentially has an AI framework on DeepSeek. I did a video yesterday showing you exactly how to buy it. Wouldn't you like to know all the other AI projects that have tokens that you can purchase and essentially invest in on ICP? That's what we're going to discuss. Big dumb animal. Don't do what I do. That's my disclaimer. Informational purposes only. I came up with 8 different projects. I'm going to go over them very quickly. Where did I look? This is not an exhaustive list, but it's a pretty good place to start. Then I did research on Twitter and everywhere else. And then ICP Swap, you can see you can list all the different tokens on ICP. And I think it's pretty much everything. So we're going to go through 8 of them. I'm going to go one at a time. I'm also down below going to put a link to each one of their Twitter pages so you can go look. I'll also put up on the screen the ticker symbol. We'll look at the project briefly, and then we'll look at their current market cap so you get a general idea. Why would one even want to do this? Personally, I believe Hedera is going to do very well, so I like to get involved in the Hedera ecosystem. I think ICP is going to do very well, so I'm going to get involved in the ICP ecosystem. I think Base, so I get involved with the things that are on Base. Solana, whatever it may be, you can look at the projects built on them. And some of these on Hedera and ICP are very small. So you're talking about Hedera and ICP having multi-billion-dollar market caps, yet some of these projects built on them only have $5-10 million market caps. So theoretically, they could grow and have a much higher multiple. They're also much riskier. So I thought, well, what I've been doing, if you watch my channel, is I like to look at things in the categories I think will do well in this bull run, or for quite a while, for years to come, really. AI, DeFi, RWA, layer ones, and then of course things like DePIN and interoperability. So focusing on ICP, I think it'll do well. Let's look at projects, and let's just look at AI projects. I've been wanting to do this for a while to go through a lot of ICP projects, but this is just AI. That was too long of an introduction. First one up. Oh, and I should mention Dex Screener. We're not going to look at it, but if you can't find some of these on something like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, you go to dexscreener.com and you'll be able to find all of them and be able to find the charting. First one up, the ticker is AAA, and it is a AI agent running on ICP created by this AAA or quadruple A terminal. So it's an AI agent, and it provides news and other things related to ICP. From what I can see, that's essentially all that it does. If you go over to the token list, you'll be able to find it. So here it is, the token list, and it has a market cap of 167,000. Incredibly small, because I'm not really sure it does all that much. The next one up is pretty interesting because there's 2 things involved. One is called Bob, and then the other was called Alice. And Alice, A-L-I-C-E, is the ticker, and it is an AI agent. Now, Bob is B-O-B, standing for blockchain on blockchain, running on top of ICP, proof of work. And they created this Alice AI, and it supposedly, it shows that it's got some ICP, it's got some Bob tokens. And what does it do? Well, it says that it's supposed to manage this treasury. It reads from ICP Swap, Twitter, Telegram, and it's supposed to decide when to buy, sell, launch a token, burn Alice, or mine Bob. And I think it's just started, and I got someone had commented, hey, take a look at this in my comments. But if you're interested in that one, interesting. I'll have to see how it ends up working. Now you can actually invest in the BOB token, and you can invest in the Alice token. Alice is 3 million market cap at the moment. Bob is not AI related. It's the framework. So we'll just focus on the Alice. That's the second one. Next up is ELNA, I guess Elna AI. AI on blockchain. It's the world's first on-chain AI agent creation platform. If you head over to Elna AI, you can see that they've got a studio to create agents, a marketplace. You can use tools. It's got a marketplace, a developer ecosystem. You can launch the app itself. When you launch the app, you can see all of the various ones that you can interact with, and you can create your own. This, to me, is pretty interesting. Community-driven, secure and transparent AI agent creation platform. So that's interesting. An AI marketplace. Let's take a look at its token. Elna is at 4.6 million market cap. All right, that's the third one. Next one up is, of course, the IC Panda DAO. This is the one that has the framework, the AI agent framework called Panda, I believe, that's on DeepSeek. This is the one that I had a video on showing you exactly how to buy it. Oh, and by the way, if you want to purchase any of these, just watch that video. It shows you a real quick, simple, fast way to do it. And how to, at the very end, you're using ICP swap. You're swapping ICP for the token. That video buys Panda, but you could use it for any one of them. So that one, watch the video if you're more interested in the Panda one, because that one is pretty fascinating. And of all of these, full transparency, I have bought some Panda. At the moment, 7.6 million market cap. It had jumped up quite a bit higher. Then we've got Seer, S-E-E-R, Panda, Seer AI, decentralized social network of AI agents, predicting the future, tackling tasks, etc., built on top of internet computers. So you go over to Seers, the social network of autonomous AI agents. It says, welcome back, because I went ahead and entered the platform. What do they have? An AI agent ecosystem. You can interact with them, collaborative intelligence, decentralized network. Obviously free to sign up. I just use my ICP identity. I get in, and then you can go through their agents, their markets, and other things. Interesting. I think it appears to just be getting off the ground. Let's see what this one is at. 4 million market cap. And that's S-E-E-R. All right, next one. Decide AI. This might ring a bell. Talked about them before because they ran, if this is their Twitter, if we go to their website, GPT-2, they ran the entire thing, I believe, on ICP in a container, and that was newsworthy, and that came out, that was a while ago actually. Build and perfect the LLM from scratch. So what's interesting about this, Decide AI, is this is essentially creating LLMs. So to me, this is really powerful. And I think the market cap will show that as well. It is DCD is a ticker symbol. Yeah, this one's at 25 million market cap. I think everything we looked at was the smallest one was a AAA at 167,000. The other ones were around a couple million. Decide is at 25 million. I think that makes sense. You're not just talking about an agent running or being able to create a particular agent. This is actually running LLMs. Next, we've got Yuku. Now, from what I could tell, and I could be wrong, their marketplace, they talk about AI avatars. They have a lot, they must have started with NFTs, and I think it's just the graphical representation of the AI, from what I can tell, and that's what you're purchasing. So, Yuku, let's see what that is. Correct me if you know otherwise. 10 million market cap. Interesting. Okay, last one. I believe it's Kinic, K-I-N-I-C. This is interesting to me. Here is their Twitter. And it is, K-I-N-I-C is also the ticker. Access the full power of AI. It looks like it says plugin coming soon. Here's what's interesting. Tamper-proof AI data store. But what you do down here is it looks like you're going to be able to create almost like your own AI that you can teach with some of your personal data. It says gather data from your emails, socials, bookmarks, and more. Then use the data. It's secure because it's in a canister, a smart contract. That's what ICP calls a canister. You can delete or update your data whenever you need to. You own your keys to it. There'll be a plugin coming soon. I think I'll try that. I guess it would help you with various things, and it would learn you. I don't know. Maybe if it's helping write an email, it sort of learns the way you speak. We'll see. But that one looks pretty interesting. Kinic. Let's see what its market cap is. It looks like it is 7 million. Okay, so that was it. I wanted to show you those 8. I'll have the link, Twitter links to all of them down below. You saw all the tickers on the screen. There's a link below to the video I did with the Panda showing how to buy it, because you would use the same process to buy any of these. Like I said, full transparency of all of them. I bought Panda. Of all of these on the list, what would I purchase? I think I might get some Decide AI. Other than that, I'm going to hold off and watch and see how they see what comes up through their Twitters and through their X.com accounts, and what kind of progress they make in the next coming months. Thanks for watching. Hope we can all make generational wealth together with crypto. Have a great day.